at the rain, held on tight through joy and pain. Every word you said I keep inside. I fight for us with you by my side. I've seen the nights where shadows fall, but your hand in mine, it beats it all. Through the doubts I feel your heart. I'll hold our love, we'll never part. We'll keep this love alive through fire and through wind. No matter where life goes, our hearts will never bend. Side by side we'll stand, through highs and lows we'll strive. As long as we believe, we'll keep this love alive. I've made mistakes, I've stumbled too, but every fight just brought me to you. I swear I'll stand, I'll never let go. Through thick and thin, our love will grow. I've dreamed of us, the life we share. Every heartbeat shows how much I care. Through tears and laughter we find our way. I'll fight for us every single day. We'll keep this love alive through fire and through wind. No matter where life goes, our hearts will never bend. Side by side we'll stand, through highs and lows we'll strive. As long as we believe, we'll keep this love alive. Through every mile, through every fight, I see your eyes, and it feels so right. I'll guard our dreams, I'll face the night. Our love's a flame that burns so bright. And when the world feels cold and wide, I'll be your strength, you'll be my guide. Together we can rise above, forever strong.